5 fastest engines in the world. Number 5, the Rimac Nevera, 0, 60 in 1.85 seconds, top speed 258 miles per hour. Number 4, the SSC Tuatara, 0, 60 in 2.5 seconds, top speed 282 miles per hour. Number 3, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, 0, 60 in 2.5 seconds, theoretical top speed 330 miles per hour. Number 2, the Hennessy Venom F5, 0, 60 in 2.6 seconds, top speed 311 miles per hour. And number 1, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus 0, 60 in 2.4 seconds, record-breaking 304 miles per hour. From Rimac's 258 miles per hour to Bugatti's 304 miles per hour, these are the ultimate speed machines.